So here's the Vibe. We're on the front. We're going to the front right. So look where the axle's at. So let's zoom out. So if you zoom out, here's the axle. Come over here to your left, where the exhaust pipe is at. There's a drain. 24 millimeter. Might have to get a crescent wrench or a really short socket. And then if you go right above it, which is right there, you can either get a socket wrench or just a wrench in here, 24 as well. Or you can come in here, back it from right here. So you can see my little green glove. So you may see me touching it. So if you can get a little 24 wrench either here, come over here and help it, but this is where I got it from here. And then here's that. So this is the front differential fluid change on a 2009 Pontiac Vibe. So here, so obviously driver left wheel, and I'm over by the passenger exhaust, and here's your CV axle. Go right here, boom. I just did the transmission as well. So this is your drain for the tranny. Pretty simple. And then we'll also go on the top of here, and then this is how you fill it. Literally right next to your battery terminal. So here's your transmission. You pop this out. Sorry, do this with both hands. If I can pop it out. There you go. So if you look at your dipstick for your tranny, I'm gonna leak some fluid. You got, can't really just see if my camera can focus here. Either way, if I can't get a video here, oh, there you go, hot, and then cool is right there, cool, and then hot. So I'm gonna check it here shortly since I just did all that. That's pretty much it.